Good evening to all of you. You all are most welcome in my YouTube channel. Like the other many videos which has been uploaded already, each one of them contain a loads of information which are really very useful to all of us. Today the video which I am going to upload here and which you are watching are really one of the most wonderful, attractive and containing a loads of information. Definitely if you are watching, watch it till end and collect a loads of information, needful information, important information, especially for you, which will come for you in your practical life. Today the topics which is to be discussed is relation between cleanliness and godliness. We know it very well. Cleanliness is one of the most needful things for all of us. Here cleanliness means truth, honesty, hard working, sympathy for other, kind for other, and having the helping attitude. If we keep our surrounding externally neat and clean, definitely the people who live around us remain free from most of the common diseases. If we want to clean ourselves internally, that means we develop the power of truth, we develop the power of honesty, we develop the habit of hard working, sincerity, truth dealing, fair dealing to each and everyone. Definitely we can say that, we can feel ourselves that we are going very close to the God. Here God means cleanliness, here God means truth and honesty, because we all know that all the creation is made by God, living and non-living, all the things are made by the God, and God likes cleanliness, externally and internally both. So if you want to remain very close to God, first we have to make clean externally and internally. We know it very well. If you are honest, if you are truth, if you are having the habit of fair dealing, and if it becomes in our habit, definitely it is the most required things nowadays, because we all are in tension, we all are in stress. Most of us oftenly pass the unhappy hours. They are feeling the burden of life. Their thought is now become very negative. Negative energy now begin to develop in life of most of us. So it is the best way to remove all the shortcomings like negative energy, hopelessness of life, unpunctuality, untruthfulness, not towards the other but towards ourselves. These things begin to go out from our life, and the opposite things like truthfulness, sincerity, honesty, dedication, fair to all of us, fair to our self also, believe in ourselves, believe in God, believe in system of God. All these things begin to develop in our life automatically only by forming the cleanliness externally and internally. Nowadays there is a dense market of pollution, not only the air pollution but also the soil and water pollution. Our voice, our behavior, our activities also now become polluted. So in this market of dense market of pollution, to survive of life now become very difficult. Most of us live in fear of attacking pollutant. we live in fear, not only to attack of disease, but also fearing of breaking the relation to our dear and near, fearing of failures in our efforts, fearing of accident, many more like this. These are pollutants, and they oftenly occurs in our life. They entered into our life very rapidly nowadays. So before the actual period of the age, we look like the old. We look hopeless. This is the cause of not having the cleanliness, not having the virtue of God, not in a state to getting the some grace from the supreme power, supreme natural power. God present in our surroundings in many different form, and all the form of the God are always ready to help us, but we are not in a state to taking help from the different kinds of the different forms of the God, because we are not having the habit of cleanliness. Our word, habit, way of thinking, way of doing, way of living now become polluted. We have to get it clean first. From morning to evening we do a lots of the thing which pollute us, we oftenly pollute us, and the main purpose of doing it to fulfill our desire by anyhow. In this way we harm many people, and the people, when they feel our activities, wrong activities, they begin to curse us. So what we speak is a powerful things, and that first make the great effect on us. If we believe in environment of cleanliness, and if we try our best to develop the environment like the cleanliness, not externally but also internally, definitely these things which oppress me, create the problem for us, push us on the track of falling into the ill, welcoming the disease age, begin to goes out automatically from our life. So cleanliness and godliness both are related to each other. God likes cleanliness externally and internally, and cleanliness is now needful things today. We all want to live happy life. We all want to spend the pleasure life. We all want to avail the real pleasure of life. All these things come in our life if we believe in cleanliness. Not only believing in cleanliness is enough, we have to develop the environment like cleanliness externally and internally. Then definitely we come to know the real value of, real meaning of life. The purpose for which we get birth on this earth will become obvious before us if we believe, if we develop the environment like the cleanliness. And God likes it. All the form of the God likes cleanliness. God loves truth. God loves fairness. God loves sincerity. God loves helping attitude. All these are collectively known as cleanliness. So if we want to spend the happy and successful life, if we want to lead disease free life, if we want to live the social life, if we want the people respect us, definitely we should develop the environment like the cleanliness. cleanliness is now become the most needful things today, and we all should try our best to develop the situation like the cleanliness. Today there is a major chance of attacking of viruses of corona and the viruses of some other diseases. So we must be hygienic, and this can be occur when we believe in cleanliness. Government also focusing on these things. We should wear mask, sanitize our hand, maintain social distancing, and some other things like this. The purpose behind is to make us clean, or to develop the atmosphere like the cleanliness. So the real humanity can be developed when we form the habit of living near the God, and this can only be occur if we believe in cleanliness, and if we develop the atmosphere like the cleanliness from both the side, externally, internally, mentally and physically. I think we come to know the importance of cleanliness from this video. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also send me the comment about your feeling towards this video, and also suggest me and give me the topics on which you want to know more and more. Definitely I shall try my best to consider all the topics selected by you in my next video, and that video will definitely reach you first if you subscribe it. Thank you.